And welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and I am very excited to share with you our newest product, the Restore Plus bone grafting material. We talked about this a couple weeks ago, but this is an amazing new product. It's very similar to the other bone plugs you've used in the past, except the difference is Restore Plus is a Shatkin F.I.R.S.T branded product, 100% pure bovine collagen tendon. This is a great product. It helps sockets heal very quickly. It stimulates bone growth and it forms a matrix for new bone. It's fantastic. I've been using it now for about 6 months and I absolutely love this product. I just got done doing a surgery here in my operating room and I used 3 of these bone plugs. And what I love most about it is the price point. These are about half the cost of the other bone product that we are selling. And it's equally effective or even better in many cases. This is a great product at half the cost. The Restore Plus bone grafting material from Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. You gotta try it, it's fantastic. But I wanna talk to you about learning about this and learning about bone grafting products along with PRF and PRP. Come to Orlando to our annual Academy meeting August 1st and 2nd. You're going to hear from world-renowned lecturer Robert Miller, who is a fabulous speaker. He's got wonderful credentials and he's lectures all over the world. He's lectured for us in the past, but he's going to talk to you about the latest techniques in bone grafting with Restore Plus bone graft material along with others, and the PRP and the PRF for preserving bone and enhancing bone grafting procedures. In addition to Dr. Robert Miller, we're going to have my dear friend Dr. Ernesto León from Cuernavaca, Mexico. He's been doing mini implants since the beginning of their existence, same as I, over 25 years. Ernesto's got a wealth of information to share with you along with myself and the other speakers from our Academy. We're really looking forward to seeing you at our Academy meeting in Orlando, Florida. We're staying at the Four Seasons Resort, which is a brand new Disney resort. We've never stayed there before. It's going to be fantastic and exciting. And we have a special rate for you at the hotel, of course. So if you sign up today, you can sign up for half price. So give us a call and sign up for the meeting in Orlando, Disney Annual Convention with the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. And bring your staff, bring your family and your staff. Bring all your family. They're going to have a great time at Disney World. We're going to have some great events, and we look forward to seeing you there. I'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.
We're looking for case studies, so send in your case studies. Dr. Donald Broccoli is our editor, so he'll take a look at them, but send them in to Mark. And what we're going to do is you'll be able to, not only will you be able to become a diplomat in the Academy, but sharing your information and having the case studies. In years past, we've had so many great case studies come in. So think about writing a case study and sending it in to Mark, and we'd love to publish it. So you'll be a published doctor in the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. And it's a great place to be, and it's a great place to learn. The deadline is July 1st for that, so if you could send them in ASAP, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much.